Welcome back to 7 Health Facts. Today, we will be sharing with you about the benefits of introducing spice into your meals. Imagine this: a sprinkle of spice, a dash of flavor, and a helping hand in your quest to manage your weight. That's the magic of spicy foods. Here's 7 spicy scoops on how they might be your secret weapon. 1. Increased metabolism. Capsaicin, the active component in spicy peppers, has thermogenic properties. It can temporarily increase body temperature and metabolic rate, potentially leading to a higher calorie burn. This increase in metabolism might contribute to a modest increase in energy expenditure. 2. Appetite suppression. Spicy foods may help curb appetite. Capsaicin can influence the release of certain hormones related to hunger and satiety, potentially reducing overall food intake. Some individuals may feel fuller faster, leading to decreased calorie consumption. 3. Fat oxidation. Studies suggest that capsaicin may promote fat oxidation, the process by which the body breaks down fat for energy. This could potentially contribute to fat loss or reduced fat accumulation over time. 4. Decreased cravings. Spicy foods might help reduce cravings for sweet, salty, or fatty foods. Some individuals find that consuming spicy foods satisfies their taste buds and reduces the desire for less healthy options. Here are 7 types of spices that can help you. 1. Cayenne pepper. Packed with capsaicin, cayenne pepper is renowned for its thermogenic properties, which may rev up your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning. Research suggests that capsaicin can stimulate brown fat, a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat, potentially aiding weight loss efforts. Additionally, it might reduce appetite and calorie intake, supporting portion control and healthy eating habits. 2. Cinnamon. This sweet spice is more than just a delightful flavor enhancer. Its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. By steadying blood sugar, cinnamon might help reduce cravings for sugary treats and prevent sudden spikes and crashes in energy levels that often trigger overeating. 3. Ginger. Known for its digestive properties, ginger aids in digestion and could potentially speed up the emptying of the stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. Its thermogenic effect may also slightly elevate metabolic rate, contributing to calorie burning. Ginger might also reduce appetite, making it a helpful addition to a weight-conscious diet. 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, boasts anti-inflammatory properties and may have a role in weight management. It could potentially prevent the growth of fat tissue by interfering with the formation of new blood vessels in fat tissue, angiogenesis, and reducing inflammation, thereby controlling weight gain. 5. Black pepper. Piperine, found abundantly in black pepper, might aid in weight management by interfering with the formation of new fat cells. It may also enhance metabolism by increasing thermogenesis and improving the absorption of nutrients, potentially contributing to weight loss. 6. Mustard seeds. These tiny seeds pack a punch in terms of nutrients and bioactive compounds. Mustard seeds contain compounds that may stimulate metabolism and boost the breakdown of fats. They're also rich in selenium, a mineral that supports thyroid function, contributing to a healthy metabolism. 7. Cardamom. Known for its aromatic and digestive properties, cardamom might aid digestion and metabolism. It may also possess diuretic properties, helping in shedding excess water weight and reducing bloating. And there you have it. Incorporating these spices into your meals not only adds a burst of flavor but also introduces potential benefits that could complement your weight management efforts. However, remember that spices alone won't lead to significant weight loss. They work best as part of a balanced diet, portion control, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle overall. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Additionally, consuming excessively spicy foods might cause discomfort for some people, leading to gastrointestinal issues like heartburn or digestive discomfort. Moderation and personal tolerance should be considered when adding spicy foods to your diet as part of a balanced and healthy eating plan. We hope you have gained new knowledge today. If you did, do consider subscribing to us and commenting your thoughts and liking this video because of your new insight. See you in our next video.